Equinox Sunday, and he wasn't there. Tails is missing. Oh, I don't know what to do other than look for him.
You know what I think happened? I think someone murdered Tails.
Oh, they took Tails, so I'll take their life. Whoever did this, oh, they're gonna pay. Oh, he's the only thing that mattered to me. Oh, now he's gone. Why'd you kill Tails?
Who's Tails?
Oh, you. I'll search for the monster that did this. No, please, no. Then I'll kill anyone that gets in my way. The dragon has shown me Valhalla.
Sonic! Have you considered... I was trying to say, have you considered the possibility that maybe you killed Tails?